In this video, I make an easy access motorcycle battery charging system so I don't have to remove the seat to charge the battery. I started by using a piece of string to measure the distance the wires will need to run, threading the string the exact same route as the wiring loom. This will allow me to use the existing clips to hold the wires in place. Turning the handlebars to estimate the maximum amount of slack required. I mark the length I need the wires to be by simply tying a knot in the string. The wire I'm using is quite heavy gauge, salvaged from an old car wiring loom. Using the string as a guide, I cut 2 lengths of wire. I bought a waterproof lighter socket from a local motor factors. The socket originally came with spade connectors on the ends, which I've cut off and stripped the insulation. I then tinned the end of the wires, ready to be soldered. Before soldering the wires together, I slipped over some heat shrink to insulate all the connections. I soldered the connections and shrunk the heat shrink. I mounted the socket behind the screen on my bike for easy access and to keep it out of the weather. Following the same route as earlier, I threaded the wires through the existing clips. To connect the socket to the battery, I fitted ring connectors to both wires. The charger I'll be using is an inexpensive smart charger. This can be left to trickle charge the battery for long periods of time without causing any damage. I wanted to be able to connect the charger to the lighter plug easily, so I salvaged 2 pins from an old household plug. To hold the pins in place, I cut a small piece of plastic which I then drilled and countersunk holes in. To ensure the pins were a snug fit, I filed the holes rectangular. I wanted to ensure there was good isolation between both the positive and negative terminals, so I cut some PVC pipe into 2 short sections. Cleaning up the rough edges with some sandpaper. To mark the 2 terminals, I masked off a thin strip around the diameter of each tube, ready to be colour coded with paint. To attach the 2 tubes to the base plate, I mixed up a little epoxy. I cut 2 short lengths of wire to connect the electrical pins to the lighter plug, stripping the ends of the wires, ready to be soldered. Clamping the bare end of the wires into the pins and cutting off any excess. And of course, fitting heat shrink for added insulation. The plug section is now complete and ready for assembly. plug assembly allows me to easily connect the charger to the bike without having to remove the seat, and also makes it really easy to disconnect and hit the road. Having an accessory socket on the bike is handy, giving me the option to charge a sat-nav or a mobile phone. If you liked this video, please check out my channel and subscribe for more project videos coming soon. Thanks for watching.